Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to restrict any apps and games from opening or using in iPhone and iPad devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone smartphone. So firstly, let me show you, say if I click on the respective application, say just to give an example, let me click on this files. So right now I can open the application, right? Let me tap on this app store so I can open any applications right now. So in order to restrict any apps or games from opening or using, what you need to do is just click on this settings and just go to this general, and now click on this software update. Now you need to update to iOS 18. So firstly, update your iOS version to iOS 18, and after that just tap and hold on the respective apps or games that you want to restrict from opening or using. Tap and hold. Now you will see here one option written require page ID. Just click on it. Now once again click on this require page ID. So it has accepted. Now if I click on this files app again, now you can see here Face ID required. So you can see try Face ID again. So I need to use my Face ID in order to unlock it. So let me click on this try Face ID again in order to unlock. So now you can see it has unlocked. So by using these cool inbuilt features, you can easily restrict any apps and games from opening or using in iPhone and iPad devices very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.